Here's a little recap. All the beer is gone, and that gubbins at the bottom there is called trub. I was supposed not to let any of that get through, but I did. So I've got the beer here with a bit of that gunk in there. But that's the one reason we siphon it again into the bottles, is hopefully to remove any last bits. So sanitizer on the go again. Set up the whole gubbins for siphoning it all off. That was fun, but hopefully second time will be much easier. Let's see. Right, well that step took so long, my fingers have gone wrinkly, but we now have sanitizer in the tube, the siphon ready, the beer in the pot, get rid of my magic marigold glove, and in theory we do the same again, only this time we let the sanitizer into the pot, and then as soon as the sanitizer's all through and we just have beer, then I start putting it into the bottles. Okay. Right, well, let's put our first bottle there, shall we? Okay, beer's flowing. One. Wow, this is working better. This does smell like beer. I'm quite looking forward to tasting this, but we have to wait 2 more weeks. My siphoning system has broke. Maybe it'll work if I go lower. Okay, that is the solution, except I can't see when the bottle's full. Well, I'm glad I cleared up that flood. Now I have a beer flood on the floor. So, I think I need to try this. Oh, that's not working. Okay, well, I have 4 bottles of beer at least. Well, it seems a shame to waste that last bit of beer in the bottom. But actually I have 4 bottles of beer. So they need to go in a cupboard now in a dark place for 2 weeks, and then hopefully fully alcoholed, fermented and carbonated, we should have some beer to test. So this is their new dark home for the next 2 weeks, and I'll see you then. So hypothetically speaking, this is just beer that hasn't been carbonated yet. So I could just taste test it. Uncarbonated beer. Perhaps I should start this with, this is the last will and testament of Robert Paul King. Being of sound mind, that may be of debate, being of sound mind, I leave all my worldly possessions to... Okay. Well, it smells like beer. It looks like beer. Can't be a coffee.